Welcome to Manafacta. From the moment we wake up, we are surrounded by the convenience of deliveries. To the time we go to sleep, our daily routines are shaped by the packages that arrive at our doorsteps. Our lives are intertwined with deliveries, making it an essential part of modern living. We order food, clothes, electronics, and everything in between, with just a few clicks on our devices, expecting them to arrive promptly at our doorstep, often within a day or even hours. This reliance on efficient delivery systems has only intensified in our fast-paced world, where time is of the essence. As we demand quicker and more convenient services, companies are constantly innovating to meet our expectations. Traditional delivery methods are being pushed to their limits with traffic congestion and logistical challenges. Enter the drone, a technology poised to revolutionize how we receive goods, offering a glimpse into the future of delivery. No longer just the stuff of science fiction, drones are now a viable solution for overcoming delivery obstacles. Drones are rapidly becoming a reality in the delivery sector, promising faster and more efficient service. But how will these unmanned aerial vehicles transform an industry so ingrained in our daily routines? The future of delivery is unfolding before our eyes, and it's set to change the way we live. Drones, essentially unmanned aircraft, have evolved significantly from their early days as military tools. These sophisticated machines are now equipped with advanced technology that allows them to navigate complex environments autonomously. Global Positioning System, or GPS technology, enables precise location tracking and route planning. High-capacity batteries power the drones, allowing for extended flight times and greater range. Moreover, sophisticated collision avoidance systems utilize sensors and cameras to ensure safe operation in busy airspace. Drones are much more than just flying robots. They are complex systems powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. This sophisticated software enables drones to learn from their experiences, optimizing routes and improving their performance over time. AI also empowers drones to make real-time decisions, such as rerouting due to unexpected obstacles or weather conditions. The result is a delivery system that is not only efficient, but also adaptable and increasingly autonomous. Imagine a world where packages zip through the air, bypassing congested roads and traffic signals. Drones offer the tantalizing possibility of faster, more efficient deliveries by utilizing airspace, an often underutilized domain. This advantage is particularly significant in densely populated areas where ground-based delivery vehicles often face delays. Furthermore, drones can access remote or hard-to-reach locations, expanding the reach of delivery services to underserved communities. Whether it's a rural village or a disaster-stricken area, drones have the potential to bridge logistical gaps and provide essential supplies. Delivery disrupted, the drone advantage. The benefits of drone delivery extend beyond speed and efficiency. Drones can navigate through traffic-free airspace, ensuring timely deliveries even during peak hours or in congested urban areas. Drones have the potential to significantly reduce delivery costs, making businesses more profitable and services more affordable for consumers. By cutting down on the need for large fleets of delivery vehicles, companies can save on maintenance and operational expenses. Reduced reliance on fuel-guzzling trucks translates into lower fuel costs and a smaller carbon footprint. This shift towards greener delivery methods is crucial in the fight against climate change and helps companies meet their sustainability goals. Furthermore, automation reduces the need for human delivery drivers, addressing labor shortages and minimizing human error in the delivery process. With advanced navigation systems, drones can deliver packages with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that items reach their intended destinations without delay. These factors combined make drone delivery a disruptive force in the logistics industry, poised to reshape how we send and receive goods. As technology continues to advance, the integration of drones into our delivery systems will likely become more widespread, offering even greater benefits and efficiencies. The price of progress. While the advantages of drone delivery are undeniable, it is essential to address the potential challenges and limitations. One significant concern is the payload capacity of drones. Currently, most delivery drones are limited to carrying relatively small and lightweight packages. This limitation restricts the type of goods that can be transported, potentially excluding larger or heavier items. However, as technology evolves, we can expect to see drones with greater carrying capacity expanding their utility in the delivery sector. Navigating the regulatory skies. Before drone deliveries become commonplace, a robust regulatory framework is necessary to ensure safety and security. Governments and aviation authorities worldwide are grappling with integrating drones into existing airspace, addressing concerns about collisions, privacy, and noise pollution. Establishing clear guidelines for drone operation, including licensing requirements for operators and airspace restrictions, is crucial for the safe and responsible development of the drone delivery industry. Striking a balance between innovation and regulation will be paramount. Public perception: a bird, a plane, a drone. Beyond technical and regulatory hurdles, public perception will play a significant role in the adoption of drone delivery. Concerns about privacy, noise, and the potential for accidents must be addressed through public education and engagement. Showcasing the benefits of drone delivery, emphasizing safety protocols, and addressing public concerns transparently will be essential for fostering trust and acceptance. As with any transformative technology, open dialogue and responsible implementation are key. The future is in the air. The future of goods delivery is undoubtedly airborne. Imagine a world where the sky is filled with drones, each one carrying a package to its destination. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a reality that is fast approaching. As technology matures and regulations adapt, drone delivery will transition from a futuristic concept to an integral part of our daily lives. These flying couriers will become as common as delivery trucks, but with the added benefit of speed and efficiency. We can anticipate a world where the skies are abuzz with delivery drones, efficiently transporting our online purchases to our doorsteps. This aerial network will revolutionize the way we receive goods, making same-day delivery a standard expectation. This transformation will bring about faster deliveries, reduced costs, and greater convenience for consumers. No longer will we have to wait days for a package to arrive. Drones will make it possible to receive items within hours of placing an order. While challenges remain, such as navigating through various weather conditions and avoiding obstacles, the potential benefits of drone delivery are too significant to ignore. Companies are investing heavily in this technology, ensuring that it becomes a reliable and safe mode of delivery. Fasten your seatbelts, the future of delivery is taking flight. The sky is no longer the limit. It is the new frontier for innovation and efficiency in goods transportation. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, explored, discovered, or manufactured, be sure to give this video a comment, a like, and subscribe to Manafacta.